I wanted to kind of go through the stamp seed with you guys again. Now, they were kind enough to send me the entire set, but this little setup here is the basic set, right? You get all these little tools, and each tool has a letter or a digit, and when you pull them out, you can see what letter they are. That one's kind of ambiguous. That's the 0. Let's look at letter A. Right, so you've got the letter A here. Whoopity-boo, cool stuff. And then you can see on the front the letter, and then you've got that little marker to line it up with your jib. I think it's called a jib, J-I-B. That's this little guy here. And then I have one that I stamped out. I did a pretty decent job on it, but as you can see, when you line it into the jib, you've got all these little guides that help you line it up correctly, and the lines along the jib down there help you line up the tool so that your word comes out pretty good. That's not a very good example. Yeah, I think I did a better job on that line there. But yeah, so you know, also, if you order the entire kit, you'll get, they'll send you an anvil, which is pretty cool. And then also you get this really awesome, try not to get too cluttered here. You get this really awesome hammer with this brass head, which is, as you can see, I've made some marks on it because I did one. But this thing is really bottom heavy. It's really good, very ergonomic, really easy to use. So yeah, I mean, check out Stamp Seed. As I mentioned earlier, the most, the 95% maybe, I don't know what the percentages are, but the majority of people that get tricked out of their crypto are tricked into revealing their seed phrase. The seed phrase is the most important part of your wallet, bar none. You know, there's lots of different wallets out on the market, soft wallets, software-based wallets, foam-based wallets, hot wallets, and then you have the cold wallets that hold your private key offline, and there's many different brands of hardware wallets, but they all boil down to this seed phrase. Keep this seed phrase safe and secure, and your crypto will remain safe and secure. Your hardware device can break, get lost, get stolen, all that stuff, but as long as you have this seed phrase, you can restore your wallets. I know that sounds crazy. How do all these letters keep track of all your crypto? Well, these words are a human-readable representation of your master private key, which is generated when you set up your wallet randomly for the very first time. And that master private key will generate all of the sub-wallets. So it'll generate your Bitcoin wallet. It'll generate your Ethereum wallet. It'll generate your XRP wallet. If your device gets damaged, lost, or stolen, get a new device and then do a restore using these words. And once you have done that, that new device has now been configured with that same master private key that you had from the beginning. And then all you have to do is regenerate all those wallets and they will be there, right? It's all math. And the crypto is not stored on the device or on the seed phrase, only the key, right? So if you have balances in those wallets and you do the restore, it'll simply point to your existing accounts. So you'll regain access to your crypto. I know it's a bit complicated, but seed phrase is tantamount. And what I really love about Stamp Seed is you can do the entire word, so it makes sense to you. Most of these other metal type solutions use some kind of tiles that have letters on them. You could accidentally smash those and the tiles would fly everywhere. Or they've got some kind of number code thing where you look up your words in a table and you know, record the numbers on the steel. Or they only give you space for 4 letters because only the 4 letters really matter, but the human being needs to see the entire word. It makes sense. I just feel that this is a great solution, and this thing is durable, waterproof, fireproof, all that good stuff. I'm not like making a mint by promoting this product, really. It's just a small little company, but I think it's really a great product. I get approached by lots of different companies. A lot of them are scams, but I only choose companies that make sense for my channel, right? I don't promote sneakers or energy drinks or anything. Everything that I promote directly relates to crypto security. I review hardware wallets and seed phrase storage solutions, right?